Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Testing the mic. Can you guys hear me now? Testing the mic. Can you guys hear me now? You guys might be experiencing a slight delay in, I guess, the stream because my internet is not that great in this area. Allow me a few moments to get the chart up, guys, so I can go ahead and show you what's going on. Yeah, everyone has to start somewhere, guys. I literally just downloaded, I guess not downloaded, but set up the StreamYard software. I would say about 2 hours ago. I attempted to download Streamlabs, but um I don't like the lagging because it's something you have to download versus StreamYard. StreamYard is just all it requires is internet, so it's a lot more efficient. So that's why I had to I guess reset up something else. Mike in London here. Guys, we I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I've been looking on the 4 hour, guys, and it seems like, let's see if I can share my camera here, my webcam. Yeah, you guys might be experiencing a slight echo. And guys, we are beginning to pump on the 4 hour, guys. I mean, on the 15 minutes, everything on the 4 hour signaling a huge pump, guys, and everything is beginning to move very quickly. We'll pull up the Bitcoin chart so we can get a reference as to what's going on here. As you can see, if you guys watched the previous video, you will notice that we have hit the bottom here and Bitcoin is starting to pump. So the entire market is going to pump with it. And we are going to see Bitcoin's going to get into the 36K range, if not by today, by tomorrow. So that will take Luna into the let's see, into the 3 3 5 ranges. Yeah, the neighbors has dogs, guys. The area I'm at is it's called Merida, Mexico. It's a newly developed area, and there's a lot of dogs around. The reason why most of the dogs come here is because I noticed that a lot of people in this area are very friendly. So usually you will see dogs migrate into areas where they can find food, where they can find friendly people. So this is what's happening here. $1 is not hard for Luna, guys. It's impossible for Luna not to get to 1 cent. Connect. You're in Mexico. Guys, Mexico is nothing like what you've seen on TV, guys. Mexico is the cities I'm in, Merida is the safest city in the entire world, guys. So don't listen to the news, don't listen to what you hear on the TV. Mexico is more safer than the US. Yeah, I'm working on my webcam. It should be live shortly. We in this together. Yes, guys, we are going to see some huge pump starting today. As you can see, the pump has already begun. Once things start to move on the 4 hour, guys, that's when the market really start to pump. So as you can see with Luna, everything's already pumping with Bitcoin on the 4 hour. So all the other this Bitcoin seems like it's moving is the leader, guys. Bitcoin is not the leader in the crypto. It's just it has more volume, so it tends to move faster than most cryptos. So Luna is lagging a little bit, so allow it some a few moments to catch up. But once it start to pump, guys, it will outperform any other crypto in the market. On short period of time, we do not we do need a lot of burns in trading to reach there. Do you to the market cap? Well, a lot of exchanges will be doing buyback and burns, so I wouldn't be concerned about burns at this moment because FOMO alone is going to skyrocket Luna, guys. In combination of exchanges doing burns, because I believe most exchanges are in, especially with what's going on. I believe all this was planned to begin with, guys. So all these exchanges are they all in the business to make money. So you will see that a lot of them will be making a lot of money in this process. We are moving very quickly, guys. We'll wrap Luna Classic pump with the Luna Classic. Yes, every crypto is going to be moving with the market. The only difference will be is depending on the volume or the catalyst, one crypto in particular might move faster than the other, which in this instance is Luna, guys, because Luna is in front of the eyes of the entire world. So Luna will be the leader in the crypto space and it will be outperforming everything else. Okay, sounds good. Relax sounds is okay. Some dogs and birds. Yeah, it will easily. Well, by today you might see it get to this price point based on volume. If not, before the week is over, toward the weekend, it will at least get to this price point or beyond. Can you please check Solana? I can attempt to because all this is fairly new to me, guys. So this is my first live stream, so I'd like to keep it as simple as possible the first time. So let's see if we can pull up Solana. Yeah, Solana is beginning to pump as well, guys. For to Kanish, but the entire world is focusing on on Luna, guys, and we are beginning to see the pump. I see this easily taking out the next zero by today, if not by tomorrow, guys. Can we hit $5? Yes, that's very possible, guys. Okay, we are experiencing volatility, guys. I see this surpassing at $10, guys. So the key is to hold, know when to take profit, and reinvest in buy the dip with the by buying the top and well look like we took out a zero, guys. So the next goal is to take out the next zero. This is where the FOMO will begin to kick in. Wow, look at these price action, guys. We are pumping. Oh my goodness. Are you guys seeing this? Are you guys seeing this? During this pump, we should be able to burn hundreds of million. Yes, guys. Most exchanges will be doing buyback and burns, and the more people that buys, the more people that creates transaction fees, and that causes that allow exchanges to burn more tokens. Turn on the 1 minute chart. The candle thermos. Yeah, the 1 minute chart. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that those candles are huge on the 1 minute. Yeah, we are pumping, guys. Okay, let's see if we can get some questions. I have been scalping. I have been scalping a lot past days and with profits bought nonstop. Well, it's a very risky move, scalping, because uh, you might end up losing your position. What I recommend is swing trading. This is what I help people do on this channel, guys. It's a lot more. It's a lot more stress. It's a lot less stressful when you do swing trading versus scalping because you are just constantly looking at the chart. 10x coming? Yeah, yeah. Buy today or tomorrow, guys. Is it possible to pump with hourly, daily, weekly buys? New to this, but seems like that would add some value. I'm not sure I understand this question. Is it possible to pump with hourly, daily, weekly buys? Well, I'm not sure I understand this question, but things are beginning to move on the 4 hour chart, guys. So that means the next move will be on the daily chart. Once things start to move on the 4 hour, this is where you see these huge daily candles, and then that will spark the chart to move on the daily chart. Uh, then you will see these huge candles. And once things start to move on the weekly chart, guys, this is where you will see those Lambo candles. I heard Solana will crash like Luna. Uh, I haven't done much homework on Solana, so I'm not sure if it will or not. We hear your sentences 2x, not a problem. Then we remember everything. Yeah, guys, my mind is working on hyperspeed, so my mouth tries to catch up. So this is why sometimes I speak a lot. The speed in my speech is quick because my mouth is trying to keep up. My mouth is trying to keep up with my mind and thoughts. Even just a few dollars a day, even large number, that seems significant. How do you say $5 is possible? Are you crazy? For it to get to 1 USD, it needs 3 times BTC. Well, perhaps I am a little bit crazy. I get that a lot. But you have to factor in huge burns that will take place with exchanges, uh, as well as community. So also factor in that there's going to be trillions of dollars coming into crypto, guys. So supply really is irrelevant at this time, so I wouldn't be concerned about supply. might not happen today, or right, or will it? I'm not sure what is this question referencing. Yeah, it's my first stream, guys, so there's gonna be some trial and errors, and feedback is good, so that way I know what to improve on the next stream. Yes, we are pumping, guys. So today, I see this thing taking out the next zero easily today, if not by tomorrow, because things are beginning to move very quickly. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, see what it's doing. Yeah, you can already see Luna is outperforming Bitcoin, guys. Okay, I had a someone recommended that I spoke about the $2 trillion wallet. Is Well, it looks like the $2 trillion wallet was did belong to Binance, guys. So they are beginning to burn most of those tokens. So that $2 trillion wallet now, the last time I looked at it was days ago. So it was down to, I believe, 1.1.5 trillion. So there is a lot of burns going on behind the scene, guys. You call it DeFi. I don't know how you did it, but you did it. Oh, yeah, man, I'm here to help you guys understand the market. visionaryDefi, we need to meet with your yacht. Oh yeah, the or Telegram group members, we are deciding where to have a meetup in the Maldives or in the Caribbeans. So there's gonna be exciting times, guys. So if you're not in the Telegram, go ahead and create an account if you don't have one and join the Telegram, so you are part of the Visionary DeFi team. How do you know 10x? Well, it says it in a chart, guys. Not only that, you have to take in account what's happening globally around the world. I made videos about hyperinflation. Crypto is the biggest hedge against inflation. So while everything is collapsing around you, this is where crypto will skyrocket, guys. Hello, Joanna. when when we are losing is zero and you want to take profit, do you sell your total amount or partial pieces? So you have some cheap coins also. I recommend selling 20%, 20 to 50% at the top, and then you wait and you buy the dip. So when you buy the dip, you can actually double or quadruple your holdings before this thing get to $1, guys. Pump on daily or weekly scheduled buys as opposed to one-time buys. I see the option when I buy it. Well, the exchanges stated that they will be doing it on a weekly, but I'm not sure if some will do it on a daily. Shy, you're awesome. You're awesome too, Shy. Everyone's awesome. Is USDT still attached to Luna Classic? I'm not sure. Uh, anything that is attached to USD, USDT will also collapse during the. This is what's going to create the bear market, guys. Everything that, because USDT will collapse, so everything that's attached to USDT will also collapse. This is what will create the next bear market. Bitcoin goes down or up? Well, Bitcoin's going up now. So is the entire market. What do you think about USTC? I haven't done any homework on USDT or any research, so I can't really answer that. But I can say anything that is attached to the US dollar, guys, will fail. I've not listened to any other YouTuber speak with such clarity and certainty. My question is, has Bitcoin find its bottom? Yes, guys, we are at the bottom. So the next price point for Bitcoin would be 36K. Should happen today, tomorrow, or before the week is over. And this is where you will see Luna at taking out the next zero, if not two zeros. By next week, guys, I see Luna taking out two zeros very easily based on the volatility in the market and the way price action is going. So we will have daily or weekly 10x. Well, that's gonna be when the markets start to move on a weekly chart, guys. Right at the moment, it's moving on a 4 hour chart. Once it start to move on a weekly, this is where you will see 10x gains per day. 100,000, 100. Well, 100. You will see 100,000% on a weekly on a weekly basis. There was a guy who predicted Luna crash like 2 months before it happened. According to him, the next coin could be Near Protocol. I believe I saw the video, guys. So I'm not sure about Near Protocol. Yeah, look at this price movement, guys. We are pumping. Look at the volatility. What is the name of the person, Nugi? I have no idea what this question is referencing. $1 by December, you think? Well, I see $1 by June, guys. So I've made a previous video about this. So I see Luna easily getting to $1 in June. My Luna people. Yeah, guys, we are millionaires and billionaires in the making. Look at these prices, guys. Look at these charts. This thing is moving. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Are you guys seeing this? Are you guys seeing this? Oh my goodness. Are you guys seeing this? Yeah, please pin the signal on Telegram. Yes, I will pin the signals on the Telegram, guys, as well as the chart will be muted so you will not miss the signals. What are your predictions for Luna by the end of 2022? At least $10, guys. You said that it will 10x today or tomorrow, but it all depends on how BTC behaves, right? Quite bold of you to assume 36K. Well, you'll just have to witness it happen, guys, because the chart doesn't lie. So I go by what the chart is say. I don't follow news. The news will always lead you astray. How are you spot on ever since I've started watching your cult cult DAO videos? Well, you guys, I don't just look at one particular thing to make an analysis. I take everything in consider tongue twister here. I take everything in consideration. Most people they just look at one thing, so this is why I keep saying people see things through a keyhole and in puzzle pieces because they are not able to make a good analysis because like I said, it's like solving a puzzle piece, guys. If you only have one piece of an image, you cannot see the entire picture. So I connect the dots and I see what's happening globally around the world. Then I make my analysis. That's a nice moon bag. Yeah, that's nice. Just don't sell too early. You're easily a billionaire. Just don't sell too early. So regarding a nice take profit zone to buy back at bottom, how will you manage this? Well, I'll briefly show you that on the chart. So for example, I, I make it simple, guys. So I use the Fibonacci extension and the Fibonacci retracement. So I'm going to give you an example. So I can plug the fib here at the previous price movement, and it's going to give me a point where to take profit. Look how accurate this is. So I would have take profit around this area here. I want the 1.6 here and wait for a 50% correction. So let's see. And then I'm going to plug in price here. Well, it's on a 1 minute, so it's not really, you can't really scalp it on a 1 minute. So I use at least the 4 hour, guys. So I plug in the fib and that will determine where I take profit. Should we sell at one point and wait for the dip, or do you say hold? Yeah, that's the purpose of the channel, guys, is to take profit at the top and to buy the dip so you continue to accumulate your coins and triple or even quadruple your holdings before we get to $1. Okay, for example, on the 1 minute chart, I'm gonna plug in the fib here and I'm gonna show you where price will get before you start to see red candles. Okay, on the 1 minute chart, price is gonna get into the 108 before you get a correction. So we'll watch it here. It's gonna get around this area before you start to see red candles again. The reason why the fib is very accurate, guys, is because it's linked to universal patterns, and everything in nature has patterns and everything is connected. So the pattern has to create itself on a chart. I say we all kick in and donate back to Visionary DeFi for World Hung. I mean, when we do launch, guys, just by buying Visionary DeFi, you are donating because 3% of that is going into the foundation wallet to combat world hunger. And not only that, um, whenever you um, whenever you donate to a good cause or whatever, whenever you give, the universe gives you back greater in return. So by not only will you help feed hungry kids, then while your investment is in visionary DeFi, it will continue to skyrocket. So 3%, let's say if you invested $1,000 and 3% of that goes into the foundation wallet, then once that $1,000 turn to millions, then what use? I mean, you wouldn't be thinking about that $1,000. Visionary DeFi, two zeros gone is 10x, 100x. Two zeros gone is 20x, 20x, guys. Every zero that gone is 10x. Hey, I am all about taking zeros off, but two by next week, you all crazy? Well, we are in the bull run, so that's easily can happen, and it will easily happen. So if the only way I see it not happening is the big pocket continue to manipulate the market. Consider is Coincider is the channel's name. No, I haven't heard of them. Where do you see Luna in the next 3 months? At least $10. Thanks for your answer regarding profit taking. Yes, yes, have cheap coins. Yeah, you're welcome. Face is melting. Well, guys, you haven't really seen real price action yet. Wait until things really start to move. Then, once things start to move on the weekly chart and on the daily chart, Luna can easily take out a zero in 1 day, guys. This is how volatile Luna is. So the secret is to take profit when it kills a zero and reinvest when it dips. So when it pumps again, we will have bigger profits. Yes, the key is whenever you buy at the top, then you sell at the top, then you buy at the bottom. So let's say if you have 1 million coins, then you sell at the top, you sell half, so you sell 500,000 coins, then you will be able to accumulate close to 500,000 coins. So by the time it gets to the point where you've taken profit, it's like you almost double your bag without even spending any more money. Love the emojis. A billionaire begins in the mind, then it manifests in the physical. So I heard Luna DAO is staking the rewards that's being staked by others used to buy Luna and burn it. I don't recommend burning your tokens, guys, and I don't recommend staking your tokens. Yeah, guys, we're going to the moon. Patient is key. Yes, I agree. Dude, what are you talking about? 0.91. I'm not sure I understand this statement. Market cap. Market cap makes no sense. Well, I wouldn't be concerned about the market cap right now because everything is all over the board, guys, with Luna. So you're not gonna get an accurate reading anywhere. Yes, we see it, but what I find is more brilliant is that you know when to start a live video. Thanks for being. Oh, you're welcome, guys. Millionaires and billionaires in this chat. Yes, guys, we are millionaires and billionaires. We just have to be patient and wait for it to become true in the physical world. I heard crypto is banned in Pakistan. Give it time, they will come around, guys. Every country is going to adopt crypto. It's impossible not to because every country's fiat currency is failing at the moment. This is why you have inflation. Ah, yes, the patients always win, guys. Where do you see Luna? Uh, like I said before, easily at $1 this month if price action continues the way they are. I think BTC will revisit 25K before actual burn start. Do you think Luna will still pump? I don't believe Luna's gonna get back into those price. I mean, I don't think BTC will get back to the 25K range, guys. How long is your stream for? I'll try to keep it at least about. We've been here for about an hour, so I would say about another hour because I have to be going somewhere uh, in the next hour. I like your positive thinking that the bull run market is here. Most retail investors have already left the market. Yes, guys. Crypto is all about psychology, guys. So the markets start to pump after every retail investor has left. So this is when big money step. Sell half when price is up and using that amount you sell to buy back at the dip. Yes, correct. I recommend selling 20 to 50% at the top and then you wait for the dip and you buy the dip. So have you read Maxwell Maltz Techniques to Visualize Your End Goal Acting as Though It Has Already Happened? No, I haven't heard of him. I haven't read his books, but I've read As a Man Thinketh. This was where most of the knowledge of everyone else has stemmed from, which was the author of James Allen, because your thoughts create reality. Hey Visionary, greetings. Welcome, Zaf. Great to be part of your Telegram community. Yeah, yeah, guys, we it's time for us to be part of the 1%, guys, and be the 1%. So this is the goal. Is this Luna? This is Luna Classic, guys. The chart you are seeing. When Lambo, this year for sure. For me is when Yacht. Am I correct when saying that we are going to have a zero reduced by today? Yes, very likely to see a zero removed by today or tomorrow based on the price action, guys. So you don't think we hit 22K? We have bottom now. Well, we already hit bottom, guys. So if we look on the chart for Bitcoin, I made previous video about this. As you can see, the these lines that were drawn have been on the chart for months, guys. For weeks and months. I have not changed them. I have not updating them. So I've always keep saying that the bottom is here. I've stated that Bitcoin will not be going beyond these areas. So as you can see, it kind of dipped below it a little bit. Then price went back into the support areas, and now we are beginning to see the breakout. You can watch previous videos and you can correlate that to the graph. When Maldives? Soon, guys. Stealth Samurai, soon. Yeah, we have to plan for that. I'd like to see a Luna Classic pump all the way to $1, but it's unrealistic with the supply laying around. Only just a couple of dApps trying to burn. Well, you have to understand what's going on behind the scene, guys. Exchanges are in on whatever is going on. So I'm relying on my intuition on this because it's not something you can physically see. So this is what my intuition is telling me. You think it can hit $10 this month? Very possible. I like to believe crazy people. That's why I believe visionary. Yeah, I get called crazy a lot, guys, because I don't think like the average person. So it's weird because if you've been watching my the videos on my personal YouTube channel, everything I have predicted has been spot on. So I mean, people in 2016, I've been calling the economy was going to collapse. In 2019, I was saying there was going to be World War III, but everyone kept calling me crazy. But now we are witnessing everything happening. If it hits $1, then meeting you personally. Yeah, we are planning to meet in the Maldives or uh, somewhere after it hits $1, guys. So if you are not part of the Telegram, join the Telegram so you are you know what's going on. What tools can we use to find out when retail investors left the market? I'm not sure because I don't really pay attention to that. Look on 5 minute minimum. I mean, for the purpose of this video, I mean, the live stream, if there is high volatility, we'll change to the 5 minute. Let's see. Let's erase this. Look on the 5 minute, brother. Yeah, we are skyrocketing, guys. Let's go. Smash the likes, people. Yeah, how many people are watching? 96. Yeah, we could use some likes. Not crazy. I was in Verge back in 2017 and saw 4K go to 160K. Been traded a few times to increase bag, but it got there. Then I did the classic, give all the money back to the market over time. Yes, guys, this is why I created the YouTube channel, to help people so you don't have to ride the wave up and ride the wave back down, so you know when to take profit. Imagine taking profit at 160K and waiting till it got back down to 4K and you load it back up. I think it's safe to say we are equally crazy. If it hits a dollar, please visit Singapore. I'll treat you, all expenses paid. Yeah, it's yeah. I have planned to have global citizenship to accumulate a lot of passports. So I will be seeing you guys around. Yeah, it's a rocket, guys. I'm liking it here. You boys are so sure about this dollar thing. Hold my beer. I'm jumping in. Yeah, guys, wait until this thing take out two zeros and get closer to a dollar. Then FOMO is really going to kick in. Life without dreaming is boring. Yes, I agree. Just sub. Welcome. Welcome, guys. You are in the right place. Luna probably 1 cent if the whales buy at one time 50 billion Luna. Yeah, guys, Luna's gonna get easily to 1 cent, guys. So don't worry about that. Look at the price action, guys. And things haven't even begun to really move yet. Wait until you start to see the chart moves on a daily. We are just moving on the 4 hour chart. Imagine when things are moving on a daily chart and on the weekly chart. This is where you will see just one daily candle remove a zero. Smash the like. Yeah, I already read that. I think it's safe to say very quick. Welcome new subscribers. You are in the right place. If Luna C hits $1, I'm inviting Visionary DeFi to a yacht party. Sounds interesting. I'll take that invitation because it will happen. What's the best way to convert into fiat without raising flags for counties who tax? Well, guys, we have to try to think long term because eventually all businesses will begin to accept crypto because crypto is the future, guys. All fiat currency will collapse, they will die, and you won't have to convert your crypto into fiat currency because crypto is your freedom, guys. It's away from being taxed, um, because most countries won't be able to tax it because it is an asset. So you might be falling a trap by converting it into fiat currency because as soon as you convert it into fiat currency, this is when you have to pay taxes. Just convert it into stablecoin. I recommend DAI and just pay whatever you need. Just wait until businesses start to accept crypto. Catch me inside eating dinner in the back. Crypto paradox. Why do you think it will reach zero point zero 0.01? Many factors. One, I believe all this was planned. Second, we are in a bull run. And third, because of the volatility with Luna. Congrats on your first live. You did great, and I appreciate your calm and positive attitude. Very knowledgeable too. I am in New Sun River, and I will stay tuned for updates. Oh, welcome and thank you. For me, guys, I do recommend also. This will also resonate with many of you. You can learn anything you put your mind to, guys. If you see something you want to learn, you can learn it. All that is required is the time and patience. So this is I always had this mindset that when I see billionaires, I see if they can do it, I can do it better. I can do it also, if not better, because all I need is time to learn the information and to acquire the knowledge. I'm happy to be on your Telegram group. It makes me think positive. Yeah, guys, this is why I keep saying surround yourself with positive people, with like-minded people, because birds of a feather flocks together. So if you look at the people you are hanging around with, this will become your future. You predicted Shiba New Year, McBurger King, and Yacht Club Inu were all wrong. What makes you right about Luna? Well, I don't believe I am wrong because they will still skyrocket, guys, because we are in the bull run. So these cryptos, like the small caps, they move. They are the last thing to move. So the more volatile a crypto is, it will move first. Then all the smaller caps will move together. During the bull run, everything will pump. Even rug pulls, even scam tokens will pump as well. So just wait and see. Thank you, DeFi. You're welcome, Zaf. Hope we defeat the Shiba army and the Doge army. uh, Luna Classic will be bigger than Shiba and Doge. I like the way you think. Thank you, Crypto Paradox. How do you guess the pump and time the live stream? I definitely asked you to come stay in my sailing yacht. Interesting. Like I stated before, guys, I look at everything. I think I connect the dots and I look at multiple sources. For example, especially the global economy and also the chart. I put everything. For example, let's say if one person wants to determine price action, they might simply look at the chart, but they will not make a accurate prediction, or they will not time it properly because they are looking at just one particular factor or source. But you have to connect all the dots, especially with what's going on around the world, and you are able to make a more precise prediction, because it's like solving a puzzle pieces. If you have all the pieces together, you can see the bigger picture. Any idea about MetaMares coin? I have no idea about this coin. I have not done any research on it. Guys, buy Luna. Yes, if you guys are not in Luna, don't have a bag in Luna Classic, then uh, I do recommend getting a small bag before price really start to pump, because then by the time it gets closer to $1, then that's when most people will be FOMOing. Yeah, it's pumping, guys. The pump starts. Yeah, everything is pumping, guys. But Luna Classic will be outperforming everything. It's dumping, fake breakout. Just a normal correction, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna plug in the fib retracement here, and I'm gonna give you an idea of where price will get before it starts going back up. Okay, so the golden pocket is around here. So I see price coming back into the 10078 at least, and then going back up. So let's watch the chart and see what happens. It might not even come all the way back down there based on volume. So you might just see price continue to skyrocket. All we need is 50 to 60 billion market cap to reach 1 cent. Yeah, guys, it's very possible. And this crypto was already at 60 billion market cap. Change the title to Luna Dump Watch Party. Well, it's unfortunate for those for those short thinkers, because they are not able to see the bigger picture. So watch this pump back up in like the next few minutes. Holy pouch, zero point 0 cents during this run. I thought it would be somewhere by the end of summer. What would Luna price be by August? Well, we are in a bull run, guys. Things can move very quickly. Agree that crypto will be the future, but I am not sure that what we should follow in terms of decentralized and centralized crypto. Well, centralized is most exchanges hold your crypto. If a crypto is on a centralized exchange, then you don't hold your seed phrases. So this is why I recommend keeping your crypto in your wallet. That way you have control over it. When you have control over it, it's decentralized. All you need is two computers to communicate with each other to create a transaction. So you can lose your phone, just find a different phone, find a different computer, and you can create a transaction. But centralized exchanges are just like banks. You don't have control over your crypto. I just said I was going to take a break from crypto today. Yeah, whenever you gives up, that's when everything starts to pump. Would be so happy if Luna Classic hit 10 cents. Yeah, just hold, guys. It's gonna hit it. You are the most positive person. Thanks for the information you shared with us. You're welcome, Adnan. Adnan, is the stock market recovering? I'm not following the stock market. Uh, I wouldn't be concerned about the stock market because crypto will decouple itself from the stock market and will move independently. Shiba is going to hit 1 cent either end of the year or 2023. Yeah, I see Shiba even hitting $1 before this year ends during the bull run, guys. I share your like on Twitter, but couldn't find your account. Shared your like on Twitter. Well, go to visionaryDefi.com. All the information is there. The Twitter account, Instagram, everything is there. All the information is there. If you want to learn more about the project, click on the white paper, and also the NFTs are available on OpenSea.io. The link is also on the website. There's a limited amount available at the moment. I believe there's around 30, so they will go very quickly. Why is it pumping again? Guys, it's all cycles. The you will not see price continue to increase. You will never see continuous green candles. There will always be retracement. Like I said, there's always going to be expansion and contraction. So whenever you see red candles, don't mind it because it's a healthy chart. It has to happen that way. Luna burn? Yes, Luna is burning. Luna Classic did burn 280 million recently, which is a good sign. Yeah, that's just part of whatever's going on behind the scene, guys. There's a lot of burning going on behind the scene that you are not able to see. So just hold. Carol, thanks for all the information. Greetings from Holland. Greeting, Carol. Pe- People getting wrecked again from the fake pump. Well, it's not a fake pump, guys. As you can see, I've plugged in the fib and I showed you where price will retrace back, and you're already beginning to see a pump. So don't be a short thinker, just focus on the long term and keep holding. I hope $1 is real. Yes, it will happen. Retesting 1 hour EMA, very normal, but it has to continue from here. Yes, I agree, Spawn. When do you envision $1? to $10 range. I see Luna getting to $1 by June, guys, and whatever goes from there, then we will watch price and continue to determine the next price point. Can 210,000 make me rich if I hold? Yes, but you will just have to hold a little bit longer than everyone else. It all depends on how much you have, and you will get to your goal a lot quicker. How much is the current supply of Luna? That's a mystery at this moment because everything is all over the board. So I wouldn't be concerned about price. I'm about supply at the moment because there is going to be a lot of burning. After $1 is just an easy 10x or to $10. Yes, once FOMO kick in, guys, then you will really start to see some serious price action. Just curious, when do you envision the $1 to $10 range? Will it hold at these levels for a while, or will it stabilize? Well, once it get to the $1, guys, like I said, you should I wouldn't if you part of Visionary DeFi, I wouldn't even worry about uh, where price will be because you will be getting out before the big wallet sell. So we are going. The purpose of this channel is to help you beat the market and stay ahead. So you are the first one to get out of the market before it dumps. I just buy more elbow cough. Visionary DeFi, most of YouTube said we are still in a bear run. Like I stated before, guys, everyone is looking at things through keyholes and puzzle pieces. They just look at crypto and they don't take any account world events, what's going on around the world to make a proper analysis. So this is why they are saying we are in the bear market. Terra Station is a good enough wallet. As long as you hold your key phrases, any wallet is good. If $1, I will buy a Hellcat, Red Eye, Venom. I just want to see 10 cents. Yeah, it will happen, guys. Just be patient and hold. I'm feeling a little bit parched, guys. Just hold on a minute while I get some water. Uh, catch me outside. How about that? That's very comical. What's the comfortable amount of Luna to achieve financial freedom? Thank you. It's all depend on how much you can afford. So I would say a safe amount, about 500 and above, is a good amount. $500 amount in Luna. So that will give you roughly. I'm not sure the price is at the moment. Roughly about 4 million, around that area. As you can see, guys, price didn't even get to below the golden pocket, and we are beginning to see the next pump. Shiba hitting $1. Yes, it will happen. What planet? This planet? Planet Earth? Can't wait to see people who sold all their Luna next year. I have a good feeling about Luna, but also feel that the coin must be replaced due to the current reputation, but it will hit 1 cent. Yeah, I wouldn't worry about the Quan guys. He's just a puzzle in this entire equation. He's just a puzzle piece. Nice watching from Nigeria. Welcome. I will not even bother pronouncing your name because I will butcher it. Shioma? Shaoma? Thanks, man. You're helping me manifest my dream. Goku, you're welcome. Stay positive. Hey, BL, why watch if you keep your negativity? Yeah, I wouldn't focus on negativity because you will attract it to you. Can you show us how you draw your Fibonacci tool? Sure. So let's erase this. So how you determine the next price, where price will go before it retraces? You have to find where price begin, which is which is around here. Then you drag the fib the fib point. There's 3 points. There's where price begin, and then you find where price stopped at, which is here. Then you click that and you bring the graph down uh, where price last corrected from. So it would be around here. So I would usually wait until you see price correct, because it's still in the process of correcting. So once you see price start to reverse back up, then you plug the fib. For example, if you plug it here, then you would expect price to get into this area, the 0.00114, before the next correction. How high will it go today? It all determines on how fast the market is moving and the volatility. Thanks for the live stream. I have to go. Thanks for stopping by, Frank. I just buy more. Thanks for everything, man. You're welcome. So Luna Classic, it's gonna be bigger than the whole crypto market. No, you have to realize there's a lot of money coming into crypto. So as more money flows into crypto, trillions of dollars, then more money will flow into Luna. So the entire market is not going to stay $1.3 trillion. 4 to 5 mil for 500. Okay, that's a good amount. I think you should stay longer on the show streams today. Yeah, I wish I could. I have somewhere to be within the next 30 minutes. 2 cents make me a millionaire. Yeah, it will happen. Just hold, guys. Hard to believe we will be rich because America wants us as slaves. Well, the financial system was designed that way. So the key is to change your mindset and start to believe you will be rich, and it must happen, and it will happen. You already are in the right place. Everything is already manifesting itself. So just trust yourself and continue to hold Luna Classic. Greetings from Saudi Arabia. Welcome. I am watching from Nigeria. Hope Luna pumps soon. I really appreciate your work. Thank you and welcome. Just bought 4 mil. Let's go. Yeah, guys, it's the right time to DCA if you can before the real pump begins. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Yeah, Bitcoin's continue to pump. So we will continue to see Luna pump as well. Thanks for the update and share your information. Really appreciate that. You're welcome, Sriga. Not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. Shinobi Shinja is up 14% already. Yeah, the entire market is, we are in the bull run, guys. So everything is slowly creeping up and getting ready for, I guess, for the bull run explosion, as for lack of a better word. Thank you for your good work, bro. Thank you, Saab. I am glad I joined the channel and Telegram group. I always look forward to your content. Much appreciated. Glad to have you, Texas Realist Crypto. Hi, I am from Malaysia. Can I join to Maldives? Yeah, just join the Telegram, guys. We are beginning to plan for and making plans for when Luna get to $1. Thanks for the optimism. God bless you, young man. Thank you, Persa, and welcome. Love the positive energy. Keep it up, guys. So if we look at the 4-hour chart, guys, let's see what's going on. Okay, let's move this out the way. We have already see that we've hit the bottom here with Luna. So we are seeing that nice curve upward, guys. So it's a very good sign. So I expect price to get into, so we're gonna plug the fib on the 4-hour to get an idea of where price will be and where we can expect to take the next profit. So like I've stated before, you find where price begin. There's going to be 3 point on the fib extension. So you plug the first point here where price begin. the next point where price stop, then where price bottomed at. So we can expect price to get into this area here around the two nines, the three zeros, 0003, 002829. This is where you should be expecting to take profit, guys. And then you will see price reverse back into the 00001816 areas, and you will buy in this area. I mean, you will sell in this area a portion of your holdings, and then you will buy back in this area and wait for the next pump. This is how you continue to accumulate a lot of coin, guys. So if we look at things on the 15 minutes, we are seeing the correction on the 15 minutes. Let's zoom out a little bit. Okay, I always state that, guys, you will see a contraction. I mean, you will see an expansion, then a contraction, then price will continue to climb. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug the fib also on the 15-minute chart to see if we get the exact same reading. Okay, we find where price begin here. We find the top, then we find where price have corrected from. Yeah, it's not accurate at the moment because price has not yet fully corrected. So what I expect to happen is price to at least come to the moving average, here. So if most likely this candle will come back down, and the next candle that it forms, it will continue the next rise. Let's see some questions. Yeah, I am getting ready to go in the next 20 minutes, guys. So let's see if we can answer some questions. We have a lot of questions here. Let's go. See you in the Maldives, brother. Yeah, yeah, very soon, guys. Very soon. You are a blessing. Yeah, just trying to help everyone else, guys. Just trying to help. For those following along on the psychology of market cycles, we are in a disbelief phase of the bull run. This is the phase where people don't really believe the run is up. The run up is sustainable. Yes, I agree. By that time, they realize we are really in the bull run, then that's when people will FOMO back in. Stay with us for another. I wish I could, but I have other plan, guys. So I'll schedule another live stream this week. Once we reach our goal, Visionary DeFi, we should make our own pool for new projects. Sure, I'm open to collabs and partner up with people. I've been hearing about Luna becoming a meme coin. If so, wouldn't it need a logo or mascot? I'm not sure about that, but a meme coin doesn't really need a mascot. It's all about hype. Can you explain that one more time, please? Sorry, I'm new to this. I'm not sure what you are referencing here. Uh, MSJ. Looks like Luna follows the court of Luna 2. So if Luna 2 rises, for example, to $20, we will all be rich. Yeah, guys, all crypto moves together. You can see other charts and make a prediction on the previous moves. Are you a millionaire? I don't discuss my net worth and my finances, guys. Like to keep that private. We need to break the 50 EMA hourly or else we get rejected. Yeah, we are beginning the next pump, guys. We've had the correction. So we should expect the next pump. Like I said, it's just smaller. Everything repeats itself, cycles after cycles. So you will find the same patterns. For example, on the 5 minute, you see this pattern here. You will find this same pattern in the higher time frames. So this is how you're able to predict the next move. Look at this on the 4 hour. This is the exact same pattern here. An expansion, contraction, and then the next rise up. We can find that also on the 5 minute, guys. Same thing. The patterns just repeat themselves, but on a higher time frame as well. So you can kind of predict where everything will move on the higher time frame by looking at things on a lower time frame. So the key here is I will help you guys. For those of you who wants to learn how to trade, I will simplify it for you. So even a 5-year-old will learn how to trade. Look at this nice curve, guys. Price is creeping upward. And once it get above this moving average here, then this is where you will really see these nice long candles. But as far as on the 5 minute, the pump continues, guys. USTC also pumping. What soft are you using to predict all that? What's soft? I'm not sure I understand the question. What's soft? I'm holding 7 million Luna portals in my Trust wallet. Should I keep it in there or should I move it? I don't want to lose the opportunity when it comes. Yeah, it's fine in your Trust wallet. Luna portal is fine. It's just the BNB version of Luna. It's crazy on the 4 hour. Yeah, everything is it's creeping up on the 4 hour, guys. Once things start to move on the 4 hour, this is where price is really going to start moving, guys. So this is why I see this thing taking out a zero by today or tomorrow very easily. UST go up, what does that mean for Luna things? Yeah, once the market start to pump, guys, everything pumps together. How can I tell when to sell by looking at the graph? Well, you have to be able to plug in indicators to get a better accurate reading. So I recommend the Fibonacci extension. What software? Well, I'm using Trading View. You can use any other trading platforms, or you can use Binance charts. You can use KuCoin charts. They're all the same, but for me, I prefer Trading View. Yes, it's crazy. 4 hour. How about UST? What is your prediction? Well, UST will also go up, but I don't see a long-term future for UST because it is linked to the US dollar. Anything that is linked to the US dollar will fail. What's the difference in swapping in wallet versus trading on exchanges? Is the liquidity different? What if you want to convert billions into stable coins? Well, the only difference when between having your crypto in your wallet versus the exchanges is you hold the seed phrases. So you hold the key. So if you hold your crypto in the exchanges, which I don't recommend, is you don't have real control over your crypto. It's like having money in a bank account. You don't have control over your funds in your bank account, but if you have your cash in your hand, you have control over it. It's the same analogy I can give. There's always going to be liquidity in exchanges and also in swaps. Decentralized exchanges are Uniswap, Pancake Swap. Most of those will always have liquidity because people will always buy from there. Where do you keep your Luna coin and what do you think of MetaMask? Well, I have some in Binance and I have in my Trust wallet. And MetaMask is a good wallet, but I find that Trust Wallet is more secure. Is this pump today? Yes, the pump has already begun. So if you are looking at the 4 hour, you can see price is slowly creeping up. Price really start to move when it gets above the moving average. Once price get above this line here, guys, that's when price really start to move. But before then, you will slowly start to see price creep above it slowly. So is MetaMask good? Yes, MetaMask is a good wallet, but for me personally, I use Trust Wallet. There's a video on the YouTube channel on how to make your Trust Wallet unhackable and how to turn it into a cold wallet. So what else is good to hold for 2 years besides Link? There's a video titled Six Crypto Gems on the channel. I recommend watching that. The 200 moving average retracement is coming. But you can't take profit from your wallet, right? And usually, if there is a big pump or dump, you don't get the time to transfer. Also, exchanges tend to crash. Yeah, you can definitely take profit from your wallet. All you have to do is connect your wallet to a decentralized exchange such as Uniswap or PancakeSwap, and then it just takes a few seconds just to swap to a different coin or stable coin. Just bought 400K Luna Classic for selling at $8. This is also good to me. Why do you feel it will pump today? It's a red day for everyone. Well, I look at the chart, guys, and like I said, I look at things on a higher time frame. If you are looking at things on a lower time frame, such as the 1 minute, 5 minute, you will never see the big picture. So it's always good to look at things on a higher time frame. Then you will get a better picture and a broader picture of where things are going. A friend bought the hamster coin in pre-sale for 2,000 euros. He has won several $1 million. I hope to do the same with Luna. Yes, guys, crypto is the only place you can easily turn $1,000 to millions of dollars in a very short amount of time. Just invest in the proper and the right project. So, guys, I expect the pump to continue and I have to go. So, until the next time, guys, it was a pleasure having you guys on the live stream. Until the next time, guys, peace.